Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set your device. I'll stay with English, then tap Start. Then you have an option to connect to the mobile network to insert your SIM card. But if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip this step and insert SIM card anytime later. Then you have an option to connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Next you have to set up your date and time. Next you have Google services. If you want them, you can leave them. If you don't want them, you have the chance to disable them here. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Next you can set up your fingerprint, but you can do this in settings anytime later and skip this step for now. Next you can set up your another screen lock method. It could be PIN, pattern or password, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.